Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to use trackpad of your MacBook more efficiently. So if you are using MacBook Pro or MacBook Air, M2 chip, M1 chip or M3 chip, this video will work in every MacBook. Okay, so if you want to know how to use this trackpad more efficiently, so how to do it? So first go to setting, okay? Click on the Apple icon and go to system setting. Now first thing you have to do is go to accessibility, and then here you will see pointer control option. Okay, now click on pointer control, and here you will see trackpad option. Click on trackpad. Now here you will see first option is use trackpad for scrolling. You have to enable it. Also use inertia when scrolling. You can disable or enable if you want. Scroll speed means how fast your scrolling speed. Okay, so you can reduce, and here you will see use trackpad for dragging. If it is disabled in your uh, MacBook, you have to just enable it, and here you will see dragging style. Okay, so dragging style you have to choose three fingers drag. Okay, now you have to click on OK. So I will show you what happened if you select this option. Okay, so if I want to drag this window, so what I have to do, you have to just put your three finger on the trackpad. Okay, and you can do like this. Okay, you can drag with three fingers. You don't need to click. You have to just put your three fingers here. Now one more thing you can do is you can reduce the size of window by using three fingers. Okay, you can reduce the size of window. Okay, so I'm going to show you. So if I want to reduce the size of this window, what I have to do, you have to just put three fingers, put your cursor here, and then like this you can reduce the size of window. Okay, so this is what you can do. Now you have to go to second setting is trackpad. Go to trackpad. Okay, now here you will see more options of the trackpad. First option is click and point and click. Second is scroll and zoom, and third is more gesture. Okay, now first we will see point and click. Okay, now here you will see first tracking speed. Tracking speed means your cursor speed. Okay, how fast or how slow your cursor will move on the around the screen. Okay, so if you make it slow, it will make like this. Okay, it move like this. If you make it fast, it will move like this. So okay, you can choose according to your. You can also drag with three fingers. Okay, like this. Use three fingers and you can drag it like this. Then here you will see click, light, medium, firm, according to your choice. Here we will see force click and haptic feedback. You have to enable it also. Now here you will see look up and data detector. Okay, tap three fingers. Yeah, you can choose force click one fingers or tap three fingers. So what will happen if you choose these options? Now I will show you. Okay, so here you will see this is. Okay, so if I want to just look up this, so what I have to tap with three fingers. Now you will see all what does this word means, and native Spanish you can see lookup. Okay, this is called lookup. So you can use your three fingers, put your three fingers, just tap. Okay, just tap and you will see like this. Now second is secondary click. Secondary click means right click. Okay, secondary click means right click. Okay, so if you choose here, you will see three options. One is off, second is click and tap with two fingers, click in bottom right corner, click in bottom left corner. Okay, but you have to just use this click or tap with two fingers. Okay, so if I click on my deck with two fingers, click or tap, you can click also, you can tap also. Okay, so this is work as a right click. Okay, then here you see tap to click. If you enable this option, okay, if you disable these options, you can you have to just click to select any Okay, options, you have to click here, I say. Then if you want to if you enable it, you will see you have to just tap and you can select any options. Okay, so this is important options, you can choose it. Now here you will see scroll and zoom. Just click on it and here you will see first option is natural scrolling. Now natural scrolling means if you can scroll like this. Okay, if you want to go upside, and if you want to go downside, like this. But it works like in your iPhone or any phone. Okay, like this. If you want to go upside, click on scroll to right, scroll to down. Okay, if you want to go upside, scroll to upside. But if you natural scrolling, if you disable it, if you want to go upside, you have to go like this, downside, upside to up, downside to down. Okay, now here you will see zoom in and out. Zoom in and out means if you want to zoom any picture, you have to just pinch with two fingers. Okay, pinch with two fingers. I will show you. I have opened one photo here. If I want to zoom, so what I have to do, two finger. Okay, select this. You have to do like this. Okay, zoom in and zoom out. Then here we smart zoom. Tap, double tap with two fingers. Okay, so if you want to smart zoom, you have to enable this option, smart zoom. Double tap with two fingers. Okay, now here we'll see rotate. Rotate with two fingers. If you enable this option, you can rotate with two fingers. How it works? Okay, what you have to do, you have to do like this and rotate. Okay, you can rotate your photo just like this. Then now most important option is more gesture. Now here we see swipe between pages. So if I open book, okay, so left, scroll left or right with two fingers. You can choose more options, but it is more comfortable. Okay, so I'm going to open the book and open up. Now if I want to scroll through pages, what I have to do, two finger. Okay, right side, left side. Then here we will see swipe right between full screen. So full screen swipe left or right with four fingers. Means if you have opened any other window in your Mac, so you have to just, I have opened this like this. So if I want to scroll through windows, what you have to use your four finger and just do like this. Okay, and then here you will see notification center. So if you want to open notification center, what you have to do, you have to just put your two finger up outside of the trackpad and then do this, open. And then here you see mission control. Mission control means how many windows you have opened in your Mac. You can see swipe up with four fingers. Okay, just do like this and you can see. Okay, now next option is app expose. Okay, swipe down with four fingers. So if you have opened too many apps in one window, okay, on the desktop, you can expose the app. Okay, so what you have to do, to expose the app, you have to use four fingers. Okay, you have to use four fingers, just swipe down with four fingers and you will expose, you will see every app. Okay, here. Now here you will see launchpad. So how to open launchpad, what you have to do, pinch with thumb and three fingers. Pinch with thumb and three fingers. Use three finger, and if you do like this, then here we see show desktop. Spread with thumb, three fingers. If you want to see desktop, Okay, so like this you can do this. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.